flour, egg. I don't know what the connection is between those two things. You can figure that out.
Science.
Okay, today we're going to talk more about chemical and physical changes. To remind you, chemical changes, physical changes, are changes in the shape and the form of matter, okay, like the states and stuff like that. And chemical changes is a change of the molecular structure of the matter, okay? So, for example, if I were to take a block of ice, remember, everything's made up of atoms, and these atoms combine to make molecules. So, let's say this is a water molecule, right? And this is another one. Oh, why is my phone getting super dark? Here, let me hold it like this. And this is another one. Alright, and this is another one. Here, actually, let me write it as H2O. Write it as H2O as it is. O, this is O. And this is H, right? And this is H. And this is O. And this is H. These are the water molecules. And these are frozen, right? These are frozen. Imagine these are frozen. Okay? Boom, boom. Imagine these are all frozen in like a block of ice. And this big block. If we were to melt it, those water molecules would spread out over here, and over here, and over here. They would turn to liquid, right? That would be an example of a physical change, okay? The molecules aren't changing, just the arrangement of the molecules are changing, just the form of the matter. But the molecules themselves aren't changing. But if I were to do something like mix baking soda, right, and vinegar, make the whole paper mache volcano type thing, and something else happens there. A chemical reaction happens there, where parts of a molecule, let's say this is a molecule, it's part of the reaction, gets breaking off, like parts, like atoms get breaking off from other things. Let's say this part broke off in the reaction, and it becomes its own thing, and it combines with another one. That is a chemical reaction, right? And inside of vinegar and baking soda experiment, the chemical reaction produces carbon dioxide. So whenever those bubbles that you see inside of the baking soda and vinegar experiment, those are carbon dioxide bubbles. Those are formed whenever the vinegar and the baking soda combine together, and different atoms or part of the molecules break apart to form a new molecule, and that is carbon dioxide. That is a chemical change, because the molecules of the matter are removed to make new molecules, make a new substance. Inside of the water thing, no molecules were removed to do anything or anything like that. No new substance was made. It was still H2O. It was just in a different form, right? It went from ice to liquid. So chemical reaction, remember, is whenever a new substance is made during that reaction. It's no longer the same substances. A new substance is made. And a physical reaction is whenever no new substance is made. It's the same substance, just in a new form. It just looks different. So yeah, sounds cool.